What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Supreme and Comme des Garçons Air Force 1. If you've seen my last video, I talked about the best sneakers releasing in November, and of course these were on the list. And in that video I said that these will be near impossible to get. On November 8th we have the Supreme x Comme des Garçons x Nike Air Force 1 low collaboration. Very hyped up shoe. It's definitely going to be hard to get your hands on them. Unless you have a bot, then you might have a good shot. If you don't want to take a fat L on the Thursday drop, go ahead and go for the box logo beanies. But I thought to myself, you know what? Go big or go home. I don't really want the box logo beanie. I really wanted these. So I went for them and I got them. Now, I'm not sure if these have special packaging or if it's just going to be a regular Air Force 1 box. So let's just go ahead and cut to this unboxing. So here's the box. We're going to open this bad boy up real quick. So you open it up, you get the Supreme bag, shoes in here. Let's get this out. Push that to the side. So here we have the huge Supreme bag. Get the box out, and it does have a special box, which I mean, I kind of expected, but wasn't sure. So here's the box. You have the glossy Nike logo. Hope you can see that. On the side of the box, you have Comme des Garçons and Supreme right there. It says the same thing on the other side. And for the size tag, it says Air Force 1, Supreme, CDG, size 8. And of course, on the bottom of the box, you have the Nike branding and all of that. So let's go ahead and get these things open. You have the nice pull-out box, as you can see, the white paper, and here they are. The Nike Air Force 1 Comme des Garçons. And I really hope I'm saying that right, but let's go ahead and get some close-up shots of these sneakers. So let's just go over the sneaker real quick. You have the white broken Nike swoosh set against the black premium upper. You also have the Nike logo on the heel tab with Comme des Garçons and Supreme branding underneath. You have the white midsole wrapping around the whole sneaker. I don't know if you guys can see this, but on the metal eyelet on the bottom lace, you have Air Force 1 and then it says Supreme underneath. So that is actually a very cool touch that I just noticed. On the insole of the sneaker, you have some more Comme des Garçons and Supreme branding. You have just the clean Nike tag in white with the black logo and lettering. And on the back of the tab, hopefully you guys can see that, but it says Comme des Garçons and Supreme. And to finish it off, you just have the black outsole, which just completes the look. Very, 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 very clean sneaker in my opinion. Probably one of the cleanest sneakers I've picked up in a while. So looking good in hand is one thing. Let's go ahead and see what these look like on feet. So there you have it, guys. These look incredible on feet. But if I had to give one negative of this sneaker, it would probably have to be the craftsmanship. Now, I know that varies from pair to pair, but I mean, it's not the worst, but it could have been done a little better. Regardless, I'm going to be wearing these all the time. I'm definitely not going to let these sit. But anyway, guys, that wraps it up for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, go ahead and leave a like on it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you're not already. Turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.